Here we have the onions. Here we are adding the butter. And heat it in a pot. Here are the tomatoes we're gonna dice. We're starting with melting the butter, peeling the garlic before it goes in. Into the garlic press it goes. Then we have the onions. Mixing this all through. Next we have the tomatoes and the hashed green chili peppers. The vegetables are cooking. Now we're adding 2 teaspoons of cornstarch as a thickening agent. Now we're adding the spices. This includes chili powder, cumin, black pepper, paprika, and salt. Now we're going to start adding the milk little by little. This is mixing the milk in with the cornstarch, which acts as a thickening agent. And now we're going to add the cheese. So now that the base of the queso, which excluding the cheese, is ready with milk and the vegetables, next we have is to add the vegetables, but before that we want to add the chorizo. Now we're prepping this and we're adding the cheese.
I'm going to switch to the whisker.
And we're going to start whisking it into the milk and spice and vegetable mixture. This is 2 parts cheddar to 1 part jack. There we go, and then we get the mixing. There it goes, and it melts right in. Here we go. There it is. The makings of queso. Now we're working on making the chorizo / hot Italian sausage, which we picked up the last minute, for the meat component of the queso. Alright, now the sausage is almost done. Look how awesome that looks. Now we're adding the sausage to the queso. Mixing in the sausage with the queso. And that sweet, greasy goodness that provides that extra spice. And we're done and ready for the Super Bowl. And plating. Alright, here's the appetizer spread. We got pretzel bites, we got tequila lime chips from Whole Foods, and then we got the bowl of queso. Let's rock.